What's going on, people? This is Brandon with Brandon Reviews coming at you with February's package for Threadbeast. If you all aren't aware, Threadbeast is a urban clothing subscription service that I've been subscribing to for the last couple years, off and on. You know how it is. Sometimes you get a whole bunch of new clothes and you're overwhelmed, and like right now in the pandemic, we really don't have a whole lot of places to go. So other than that, it just really is something that can get you together, and you don't have to leave the comfort of your home. For all of those of you that really enjoy shopping, not like myself, it's just very convenient for someone to go out and pick your clothes for you. And I'm a bargain shopper as it is. So with that being said, most of the items you get in your box are gonna come a lot cheaper than it would be had you paid full retail price. I have the essential package, which is not the bottom and it's not the top. It's right there in the middle in that sweet spot. I pay $85 a month, and I generally get at least around $200 to $250 worth of clothes for 85 bucks. That's just awesome. That's just awesome. I love it. It's exactly how I roll. When I was a Macy's guru, shopping on the sales racks, my gear was just okay. It was just really plain, bland, and blah. But now I feel like I have a lot more style, and it does fit exactly the type of clothes that I like and that I would normally wear. The only thing that I've been encountering right now is the fact that I live in California, and they're trying to consider people that live everywhere. So I've been getting a lot of winter clothes that are too warm for me. I know some of you might be the type like me that I run a little hot. So for all these winter clothes, less is more for me. I can go out in 60-degree weather with just a long sleeve shirt, and I'm great. I feel comfortable. But enough of all that. Let's get into it. We got February's Threadbeast box here. Let's see what we got. Okay, and I guess I said all that. The first item is a very thick, I guess it's a shirt. It has like a little bit of a fur collar, but the sleeves are thin. So it's like, I guess, a jacket shirt type thing almost. And it's by a company called Grizzly Grip Tape Company. It's in my size. I think that I would probably wear this if I was going to be outside for an extended period of time. Otherwise, it would probably not be something that I could wear indoors, just because I'd be over here sweating it out. Like I said, I run hot, so I need to be comfortable, especially when I'm indoors. That, or I just wear a t-shirt underneath it, and when I do step inside someone's house or something along those lines, I can just take that off as if it was a jacket, and I could probably be comfortable. All right, so I got a pair of sweatpants here, and I think the brand is the Diamond brand. Yeah, the Diamond Supply Company. I am a fan of this brand. I mean, this is some basic sweatpants. Got the little diamond on the left leg. I could probably wear it with this thick shirt, which shouldn't be an issue. So we got a couple t-shirts here. All right, so this is a Crooks and Castles t-shirt. Oh, and it's got some design on the back. That's what I'm talking about. Nowadays, some of these t-shirts don't have any designs on the back. It's just something on the front. So that's really cool. Crooks and Castles. Okay, I actually like that. That looks pretty cool. We just got to see how it fits. All right, and then we got a Diamond Supply and Company t-shirt, which actually probably would go better with the sweatpants. So that's a nice little outfit now. Yeah, that's on point. And sadly, I must say, you know how I love my drawers. I didn't get any of this box, but Old Faithful, they sent me my socks. my champion sock game is gonna be bomb this summer. I guess I just gotta probably start working on my shoe game at this point. But this is all in all a very great package. I would probably say a t-shirt like this, the quality, the Crooks and Castles, the quality in the shirt is very thick. It seems like it's a really good quality shirt. I would give it at least $30 for that t-shirt. I think the Diamond Supply t-shirt would probably be somewhere around the same. So that's 60 bucks already right there. The socks is probably 10 or 15 bucks. So let's just go ahead and jump that up to like 75. These Diamond Supply sweatpants. Since places like to overcharge nowadays, I would probably say this would probably be around $70. So that puts me at like 145. And then this jacket here, let's see. I'm gonna put this at 75 as well. So I guess in my estimation, this is gonna put me somewhere around about probably about 215, 220, 225, I guess. You know, that's me rounding up, just thinking about everything that I have here. I think it's a successful package. I paid 85 bucks for it. I think this is 85 bucks worth of clothes, don't you think? I think so. So one thing I would like for you all to do, and I would really appreciate if you did so, please go ahead and like this video, and I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to this channel. Stay up to date on items like these and others that I will be doing reviews on. So go ahead, stay in touch, and hopefully I will see you really soon. Oh, don't go nowhere yet. I'm actually about to go ahead and try all this stuff on. So let's see what it looks like. All right. All right, what's up, people? So now this is the showcase part of the Thread Beast package that I got. Just want to show you all how it actually looks wearing it. This is the Diamond Company, Supply Company, sweatpants, t-shirt. Definitely is gonna get rocked. 100%, that's a hands down yes. Yes, yes, I love it. I like it a lot. Sweatpants are really comfortable. They're a little tighter for my taste, but I guess that's what the kids is wearing nowadays. So I won't get all self-conscious about it like I did those mom jeans. But this t-shirt fits like an extra large should. I don't have any issues, no complaints at all. So let's get into the next one. All right, I still got on my Diamond Supply Company sweatpants, and then I have on this Crooks and Castles t-shirt. It's a little on the closer side, but it is not tight like some of the other ones that they're just not wearable for me. But I like the fit. It's a good quality t-shirt. I'm happy. You know, what can I say? It fits good. I like it. Boom, bam. Yeah. All right, so here's the fur collar jacket shirt thing. Mixed feelings about it, I guess I can say. Not quite sure what to feel. I feel like if I was gonna be outside for an extended period of time, again, like I said before, this would be okay. But yeah, I am going to be definitely like burning up in this in most situations, especially if I'm indoor anywhere. Like I said, the arms are just like a regular like flannel type shirt, but then the chest part is lined with this fur stuff. So, you know, it's pretty warm. Yeah, I can say that. And probably start sweating in just like a few minutes, but you know, we ain't gonna be in this too long. So we'll just want to let you all get an opportunity to see what it looked like while I'm wearing it. Just want to let you all know, just a reminder to go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Go ahead and like this video, and stay tuned for the next one. There'll be another one coming up next month. This is the February package for Thread Beast. See you soon. Till then, deuces. Yeah.